go with session number 9. He looks eager. Way up there. Oh, wow. You're talented. Okay. Let's get down to business while you're good and hungry. Move your little tail over there. Oh, good boy. Oh, yes, he's enthusiastic today. Let's see. Are we going to get any of this? Come on, you can do this. Yay! Oh, he held it for a while, too. Good job. Competition. Good boy. I sure would like you to pick it up off the ground, though. Oh, come on. Come on. You can do this. Hey, right here. Not my knuckle. Up. Oh, very good. You're holding it. Good job. Now, good boy. Oops. Good job. Now pick it up right there in the middle. Yeah, you kind of dropped it just as I clicked, but oh well. Good boy. That's much better. Yes, you're holding it. Hey, come on back over here. Yoo-hoo. The cat. Oops, you dropped it. Gotta hold it long enough for me to grab it with my hand. And we just gotta get you reaching to make me grab it with my hand. Oops. Nope. Ooh. Ah, too bad. Come on. Hello, the cat. Come on, over here. Good boy. They can't see you if you keep your tail to the camera. Back it up a bit. Oh, very good. You're holding nicely. Ah. Come on. I'm not scratching your head. That comes afterwards. Oh, too bad. Oh, too bad. One more. Come on, Tom. Tom the cat. Good boy. I think we better call it quits on that. You are go to Matt. What do you do with that? You'll think of something. What, you don't like it on the sleeping bag? How about right there? Give you a hint. I'll take that just to get you going. Hey, you know how to do this. Did you go brain dead? Oh, what a good kitty. There you go. Once more. Get it over there. Yay, Tom the cat. Right there. Okay. Wow. While we're at it, let's see if we can get you to do a sit pretty. Come here. I'm going to quit before he noses it. Preferably before he raises his feet up. Hey, come here. Hey, Tom the cat. Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. Hi. Way up here. Up here. Good boy. Okay. Good enough.